Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to explain about Code Cloud Free Lab, and this is day 27. We have already completed till day 26. So let me jump on the Code Cloud Free Lab and show you what is the task for day 27. So the day 27 is configure a public VPC within EC2 instance for internet access. Okay, so this day 25, 26 and 27, these are the networking parts. So this is the core networking part for any cloud. So if you are beginner, just you have to see this lab again and understand the core networking part, how we can configure the private subnet, how we can configure the public subnet, public VPC, private VPC. Okay, so these are the most asking interview questions. So if you are um, beginner and learning AWS cloud, then you have to make sure to learn this core networking parts. Okay, so in this video I will show you how we can create uh, a public subnet and VPC EC2 instance and configure the traffic. Okay, so let me open the lab here. Let me log in this one, then show you how we can configure it and also learn the task. Alright, so this is what is the task here. Create a public VPC name, this. Okay, so first we have to create a VPC, then subnet name, need to create a subnet under the same VPC. Make sure the public IP is being auto assigned to the resource under the subnet. Okay, in the subnet we have to enable the auto public assign. Okay, further create EC2 instance. We have to create a EC2 instance, EC2 security group, and under this VPC within an instance T2 macro. Okay, and we have to enable the port 22. Okay, so basically let me first create a VPC subnet, and it should be the public VPC name. So let me create a quickly. So uh, let me search here VPC. Okay, first of all let me create a VPC with this name. Okay, all right, in the VPC section here. All right, so it's already, we have to create a new VPC. Okay, we can give here the name VPC and we can provide here 10.0.0.0/16. Okay, IPv6 don't need to enable, encryption control not this time. All right, and just create a VPC. So first things, we have created a VPC. If we can see here, okay, this VPC is available. After that we have to create a subnet. What is the subnet name? This is the subnet name. Okay, so these are the subnet already available, we don't want to worry. We have to create a new subnet. We have to select our VPC. We created recently this VPC. Okay, subnet name, our subnet name would be this one. Okay, Let me select any availability zone, like I'm selecting first one. Okay, and IPv6 DI CIDR range. Alright, is auto selecting, and this we have to select the CIDR for subnet. So 10.0.1.0/24 we can take. Okay, and good to go. Let me create a subnet. Okay, so our subnet is creating. In the same, make sure public IP being auto assigned to the resource under the subnet. Further, create a EC2. Okay, so this is created. Our subnet is created. All right. So if we go here and click on the action and enable root traffic. Okay, for this one, let me create a one internet gateway. I think we don't require the internet gateway as per the instructions. Okay, under the same, make sure your public IP being we auto assign resources under the subnet. Further create a. Okay, so we have to public IP being auto assign. Okay, in the subnet. Public IP assign, edit the subnet setting. Okay, this one. enable enable auto assign public IPv4. We need to select this one as per the task. Make sure public IP being auto assigned to the resource under the subnet. Okay, so we have to enable this one, and IP. Okay, resource name. 1 second. Under the same, make sure IPv6 auto assigned under the assigned to resource under the same restaurant. Okay, IPv6 resource base ARN setting. No. Host type, IP name, resource name. Okay, we have selected. All right, then as per the instructions, we don't need to create a internet gateway and root table. So let me go to the quickly EC2. We have to launch a EC2 instance. Okay, sorry, what is the EC2 instance name? Nautilus pub EC2. Okay, so let me go to the EC2. No EC2 here. Give the name under the VPC, and we can take any distributions, but the instance type T2 micro. Okay, I am taking the Ubuntu distribution and the latest image, and instance type T2 micro. Okay, this is the instance name T2 micro. Just launching without key pair. Okay, and it to create a security group? No. We can allow the SSH. Okay. 22 port open the instance and access over the internet. Okay. So 22 port is open. Alright, so it will be create a new security group. Alright. Okay. This is also done. And let me check the security group. This is wizard one. Okay. This is the 22 port open for all alternate. Okay, I can also give some specific name here like Nautilus SG. Okay, so this security group is for our. Okay, all right. What we need to check here, 22 ports done. Use this schedule description. Okay, so as per the task for day 27, we have created a VPC and the subnet under the, and we have enabled the public IP associations and created a EC2 instance, open the port 22. Okay, let me check instance is running. Yeah, T2 macro instance is running. Alright, so as per the instructions we have do, let me check the lab. What is this? Perfect. So as per the instructions we have did perfectly. So do let me on comment section if you have any issue and confusions, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.